Item descriptions are very important for buyers when they're shopping online. In this video, we'll count down the top 5 tips for creating great item descriptions. Tip 5. De-info. Only give relevant information that's accurate and to the point. There are separate sections for the details such as contact details and postage. Keep your description as brief as possible and highlight all your product's key information. For example, if you're selling electronics, key information includes the plug type or the amount of ports the product has. Tip 4. Conversion. A great item description means you're more likely to make a sale. When your conversion rates are high, your listings will appear higher up in the search results. Good item descriptions help the buyers to know what to expect from a product, and your listings will be seen by more buyers. Tip 3. Mobile on the go. A high proportion of buyers shop using mobile. Your description should be clear and easy to read on mobile devices as well as desktop. Tip 2. Picture on the wall. Don't include pictures in your item description. You should include them in the gallery where you can include up to 12 free pictures. Tip 1. TerraPeek. You can get to TerraPeek from the Seller Hub. It helps business sellers to compare their listings with listings from other business sellers. Type in your selected keywords or product identifiers and you'll see other top performing listings that sold. Sellers can use TerraPeek to identify top performing listings and then see what their item descriptions are like. TerraPeek does not provide direct insights into item descriptions. Follow these tips and get your item descriptions in top shape today.
Get more tips and guidance from the eBay team by subscribing to our channel on YouTube and click the bell icon to enable notifications. YouTube will let you know as soon as new videos are available.